मैं बहुत ही खुश थी जब जूलिया बॉन्डली ने मेरे साथ ये डिटेल शेयर किया था. इनफैक्ट 1994 में मेरे पैजेंट के बाद दैट ईयर 95 ऑनवर्ड्स ही उन्होंने वो राउंड कैंसिल कर दिया था, क्योंकि मैंने कहा कि इट वॉजंट वेरी नेचुरली कंफर्टेबल फॉर सम ऑफ अस नेशनैलिटीज़. एंड ये नहीं कि I wasn't speaking solely for me, but I was really speaking for a lot of girls from countries where the swimwear round was not necessarily swimwear is not a natural way of life in terms of social display. It is a very, you go to your own clubs and you can do it, or in your own homes, or whatever, people felt comfortable in their natural environments, or environments they were comfortable in. So I had shared that with her, and in fact for the next quite a few years, if I'm not mistaken, at least for the next 3 years, if not more, they did do away with the swimwear round per se and did it more like a beachwear fashion show, where a lot of the contestants got the opportunity to just showcase any creative designer from their world creating a beachwear sequence, which could be whatever accessories they wanted, and it was done like a fashion model round rather than swimwear particularly. And I felt very thrilled with that one little personal achievement that I had kind of made with the pageant, and she had done that for quite some time. Then I think it went back to what was internationally, and frankly, if you looked around even here, suddenly everybody was getting socially a lot more comfortable with it also. So I think it had come back for a while as a natural round, but this time she shared with me that she was definitely doing away with this round now, and I was very, very happy to hear that, and I feel very proud because for me it was always, and ये तो मैं खुद कहूँगी on record कि when I became Miss World, I was definitely not the best beach body of all the 87 contestants. I can vouch for it, I can put a stamp on it, and yet I won the title. So to me, I kept saying that if this is not the only reason, then क्या होता है कि कई लोगों के मन में ये एक इमेज बन जाता है कि नहीं, this is the imperative round and this becomes the deciding factor, which is not true. And even in Miss India, I was definitely not. And I remember in Miss India also, I had got the perfect 10 title, and I was not the best, I was not the fittest beach body in the Miss India contestants either. And I remember the judges and the pageant people telling me that getting the Miss 10 title was not only about literally your physicality, it was about how you presented yourself, your confidence, and so much else that went with it. The ease, not taking it all that too seriously, everything put together. So I feel it is important that girls, if they participate, at least for me, participating in a pageant was the opportunity to represent us as a people, especially the Indian woman on an international platform. That's what I made it that year. That's what I've made it all these years. Even if I'm an actor from India, it's about representing us on an international platform. Every time I get the opportunity to be on an international platform and interact with people beyond our shores. So if that's the meaning it holds, then it would be nice if that's what gets recognized. So I'm glad that that round isn't imperative anymore.